dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion,
over the edge. Feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Hi guys everyone, welcome to One Gaming League guys. Total 40 members joined in this match and the time is going so long, so match started. So okay, no problem, total 40 members started and we'll see how this fight gonna happen. So everyone like the stream and sub the channel guys if you haven't yet, and we'll see how this fight gonna happen. So everyone like the stream guys, and we'll see the teams and DXNW vote team and 9DS team and Godel and team RRKO बोलते and ENT team and IQ team and 60 Bobby. Okay, and team NTP is here and I team is here and team 11 and Rathers team and S4 team and M40 team is here in the team 15. And okay guys, okay, match is going to start in 3 seconds and 3 2 1 and the plane path. Okay, and East District to Sync Delta, and that's an OP one, and we'll see how this fight gonna happen guys. And I think today we're gonna see one rocking match because okay, it's nice. And we'll see the teams, and team 4 and team 6 is here, and team RRQ and team 4, team 6 and team 8 is here in the plaza. Okay, and Pilot Plaza, and 3 teams in Pilot Plaza. I think we are going to see a big bang here, and we'll see how this fight gonna happen. And IQ team, both IQ Harsh and IQ Avi and IQ Ranger is here, and they haven't got any weapon. Oh boy, be careful boys, be careful. And team 15 and team 10 is here in the Shin Delta, and I think we're gonna have a fight here. And team 4, they are closing here to team 6 and very close here. And RRQ team, I think RRQ team, they'll rock like anything guys, because we saw the yesterday's match, and RRQ team, they're playing like anything, and we'll see how this fight gonna happen. And RRQ by RRQ, and RRQ is with the shotgun. Every time he is with shotgun. And okay, and we are having a fight right here, and team 15 and team 10 fight, and we'll see this fight also. And M40 Death is here, and M40 team, he's closing to team 10, and team 10 should be very careful. And team 15 is closing to you guys, and team 10 boys and Clears team and Clears team boys, be careful. And team 15 is here, and team 15 M40 bubbly is with DP. I think we can expect a nice shot from team 10 to team 15, and we'll see how this fight gonna happen. And team 10, they're closing here, and Chaos Knight gave a shot to M40 Bubbly, and Bubbly got knockout right here, and that's an OP shot. And M40 this also got knockout, and MFT also getting shots, and that's an OP shot bro, OP shot. And Chaos Knight is closing here to MTF King, and oh boy, be careful boys, be careful. And that's an OP shot from team 10 as team 15 full squad advert, and team 10 OP gameplay, total 37 members alive in this zone. And we'll go to team 11 and team 1 fight, and team 11 and team 1 and I team versus TXNWO team, and Aishan OP is here, and Aishan OP, and team 5 also. And team 5 ENT Magnan got knocked out, and he's being healed right now. And ENT and WXD and Aishan gave a shot to DXNWO team. And okay, we'll go to team 11 here. Aishan OP gameplay bro, OP gameplay, Aishan OP gameplay, and DXNWO by, and DXNWO JK is here, and DXNWO JK got JNK got knocked out, and he got wiped out. And DX boys, they're getting shots like anything. And team 5 also, they're rushing towards team 1, and DXNWO got knocked out. And DXNWO today also, DXNWO, I think they are not going to have the dinner for today's match also. And Ritish Raj Bag ko dikha wo, wait a second bro, I'll take you the team. And Babag bro, there is no name like that bro. Okay, and team 1 Rupees is the only hope for team 1, and we'll see how this, and Rupees is also getting shots, and Rupees by, be careful by Rupees. And team 5 and King Marvel is here, and King Marvel and ENT Magnan is here, and King Marvel ENT Magnan boys, be careful. On team 11 and team, and okay, we'll see the map once. And team and we're having a drop right here, and team 12 and team 10 they came here for the drop, and we'll go to team 6 once. I think we are gonna see a big bang. I said now guys, we're going to see a big bang, and that's an OP gameplay bro. OP gameplay. IQ ninja bhai bolte, IQ ninja बोलते हैं भाई, IQ ninja बोलते हैं. Team 4 RRQ team full squad vibrant IQ team. That's an OP gameplay guys. I think today also I think today RRQ team they'll, and Baba and team 3 is here, and team 3 they wiped out team 6 full squad. Yes, they wiped out team 6 full squad, and team 3 OP gameplay guys, and team 3 OP gameplay, and Godel team, and we are having another drop right here, and we'll see what is in the drop. And RPG 7 and 8x scope and level 3 stuff in this drop guys. And okay, team 7, and wait a second, and Baba, okay Baba team, sorry bhai, sorry. And hello bro Arindam, hello bhai, hello. And guys, everyone please like the stream guys if you are new to the channel, so please like and sub the channel guys if you are new to the channel. So we'll go to team 7, and Baba is here, and okay, Baba, Ananta, Atrangi Baba, and Tanki Baba, and Sanju Baba, and Sexy Boy. Oh boy, Sexy Boy is here. And next shot is for Alasker, and Alasker got a shot, and team 11 Alaxer got a shot, and Ico also got knockout, and team 11 should come fast. Oh by team 11 come fast by ENT Magnan, and ENT Magnan bro, be careful bro, ENT Magnan. And Maxim Alasker got, oh by IKD got wiped out. Oh by he's giving shot with M46, and that's an OP shot from team 11. Aishan OP bolte guys, Aishan OP. And remember me? No bro, sorry yaar, I didn't remember you. And but if you come here, you're one of the pro players of One Gaming League, so welcome to One Gaming League bro. Arindam, welcome to the stream bro. And okay, team 7 and team 2 is here, and team 2 9DS Azam, and only one player from team 2 and 9DS team. What happened to 9DS team? And only one player today. And okay, no problem, I think 9DS team one player is equal to full squad, and we'll see. That's an OP stunt buddy, 9DS Azam OP bolte. Okay, and he's in the red zone, he should be very careful, and he is in the red zone boys. 9DS team, be careful. And we'll go to team 10 once, and we'll see. And we are having nothing. Okay, RPG and level 3 stuff and first aid kit in this drop. And team 10 and Kalios team, they're having total 3 kills, and team 10 OP total 21 members alive in this match. And we'll see who. And Baba ko dikkavo, Baba bhai, Baba. I think there is a huge fans for Baba, so we'll go to Baba team and Sanju Baba. And team 7 they are in the stadium, and the zone is right here in the range, and team 9 in the zone, and team 2 in the zone, and all the other squads should come fast to zone. And team 3 also they are in the zone now. And team 3 boy, be careful bro. Team 3 Godel Blaze should be very careful, and he's getting shots like anything. Godel Blaze should be very careful, and he's getting shots from team 9. And NTP Gaming is here, and God Blaze is here, and God Blaze is getting shots like anything, and maximum God Blaze will be knocked out. And that's an OP shot from team NTP Goku, and OP shot from NTP Goku. OP by OP, and NTP Goku is here, and team 3 one member got wiped out, and team 3 also here, and team 3 they're giving shots to team 9 from here. And Godel team versus team NTP, and NTP team they are giving shots like anything. I think maximum Godel team will be wiped out, or else they should go for the rush. I think team 9 maximum they'll come here for the rush, and we'll see how this fight gonna happen guys. So guys, everyone like this stream and sub the channel guys, sub the channel bro if you're new to the channel. And team 3 is here, and God L Scout Topi, and the Avir Baba 2 is here. And okay, and God L Omega, why God L Omega. And God L Omega is giving shots to team NTP Goku. That's an OP shot, but the shots are not connected to them. And NTP Goku, I think maximum NTP Goku he'll give the shots, and OP Okay, team 3 and team 9, they are using maximum SMGs and UMP45, and total 19 members alive in the zone, and I think we can see a big bang in the last zone, and we'll see. And team 9 and NTP Goku is closing through the drop, and the drop is right here, and we'll see what is in the drop, guys. And M249 OP and M249 and 8 tech scope and level 3 stuff and adrenaline syringe and ghillie suit right here in this drop, and that is a OP1, bro, OP1. And NTP Goku and Shobo Babaji. Wait a second, bro, I'll take you to Babaji because I am not showing Babaji because they're not taking any fight right now. That's why I'm not showing Baba team. And team 14 is here, and team 14 and maximum I think team 9 can win this match because they are in the OP place. And team 10 will go to Baba team once, and Baba team also they're trying to make third party here. And team 7 Baba team and Sexy Boy, oh boys, and they're making third party. And team 3 also giving shots to team 9, and team Sexy Boy is giving shots with M24 and sniper suppressor. Oh boy, OP shot, bro, OP and but the shots are not connecting to him. And NTP and team 9, and you can see team 9 is there, and team 10 is on the mountain. 19 members alive now. And team 11 Aishan is also closing to the zone. I think he can get the shots from team 14, and team 14 boys, be careful. Aishan, he's giving shots like anything, and team 14 and they are getting shots from team 9. And team 9, they are playing doing all rounder here because we can see here they are giving shots to every team from here, and this is the right place, I think so. But maximum they can win the match, I think, and we'll see who gonna win this match. And team NTP Goku, boy, be careful. NTP Goku should be very very careful, and they're getting shots like anything. And I think team 9 is in the right position, and we'll see. And team 7, they're out of the zone, and they should come faster zone. And team 9 is in the zone, guys, and that's an OP NTP team. And NTP team and NTP Goku, he is giving shots to team 14 Shahil. And I think NTP Goku, he'll take out M249 maximum. No, he's not using M249. Oh boys, and they're giving shots to every team from here, and you can see they are surrounding every team. And team 7 also, they're trying their level best, guys, we can see here. And team 7 also, they're trying their level best. OP boys, OP. And I think they are having another drop, and in the middle of the zone, and every drop is for team 9, and I think we can say this is the OP position for them. And MK14 and level 3 stuff in this drop, and okay guys. And guys, everyone like the stream and sub the channel, guys, because every like is very valuable to us, so please like the stream, guys. And team 9 team NTP Goku, by NTP Goku and NTP Payush and NTP Gaming YT and NTP team. And team NTP, they are now they're trying to give shots for team 14. Only 19 members left, and team 14 is with 2 members, and team 14, they're out of the zone. And team 7 also should come faster zone, and team 7, and the zone is starting now, and go faster zone, boys. And team 7, go fast to the zone, fast. Baba team, Baba. And if I think Baba team also can win this match, and we'll see who gonna win this match. And they're out of the zone, and we'll see this fight. And NTP and God L Scout OP got knockout. That's an OP shot. And Kalius Knight also got knockout. And team 10 and Kalius Knight also got knockout. And Kalius Knight got wiped out. And team 12 also, they should come faster zone, and they are draining like anything, and come faster zone, guys. And team 9 is in the zone. NTP Goku OP bolte yaar, OP from NTP Goku, NTP team bolte. And we'll see who gonna win this match. And they are handling and Chakravarti Technology, and they're handling team. They're lagging, bro. Okay bro, okay. And team 3 versus team 7 here, and team 3 and Godel Omega, Godel team, they're getting shots like anything. Oh boy, my Nightbot is very serious about. Okay, and team 3 is here, and team 3 they're giving shots to team, and one full squad got wiped out, and team 7, okay, team 7 2 members got wiped out, and but we have Atanki Baba and Sanju Baba is here, and we'll see how this fight gonna happen. Team 3 or team 7, Atanki Baba also got knocked out, and Sanju Baba is here, and Sanju Baba is also getting shots from backside. Maxim, oh boy, and team 3 should go fast to zone, and the Veer Baba should go fast to zone, and team 9 in the zone, and team 3 they are out of the zone, and team 11 also should come fast to zone, and they are out of the zone, and Maximum Aishan also will be wiped out, and I think team 9 can win this match because they are having full squad. And DXNWO Lion, big fan bro. OID, I think team 1 DXNWO team, they are trying their level best, but they're not getting dinner anytime. But we'll see how this fight gonna happen, and we'll see the next match also, guys. So no problem, and very good luck to DXNWO team and team 9 and team NTP only 5 members left, and Maximum Aishan also will be wiped out, and we can say and team 9 are the winners without they are in the safe zone, and they handle full match, and they're having totally 6 kills, and team NTP Ayush, okay, NTP Ayush and NTP Goku is with 4 kills, and NTP Verma is with 1 kill, and NTP Gaming White is 0 kills, and okay, Aishan they are in the second position, and team 3 Godel team they are in the 7, they're having total 7 kills, and then third position, and Hixie Boy is with 0 kills, and Natarangi Baba team they're having 1 kill, and Radha's team they're having 2 kills, and S4 team they're having 1 kill, and Kalios team they're having 3 kills, and 9DS Azam is with 0 kills, and EN team Magnan is with 4 kills, and OP guys, and they're having only 2 members. They wiped out one full squad, and OP gameplay. And DXNWO team they're having 0 kills, but they tried their level best, we can say that. And Team 12 and RRQ also they tried. I thought first they'll win the match, but that's an OP gameplay, Team RRQ. And M40 team they're having 0 kills. And okay guys, and everyone please like the stream and sub the channel guys if you haven't yet. So every like and every subscription is very valuable to us, so please like the stream and sub the channel if you haven't yet, and we'll see you in the next match guys.